engineer of a train felt something was a-slipping and felt it once again. He called up the station master, got a sidetrack at number 9. Station master said your freight is overdue, move it on down the line. 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 Now the engineer could have called the railroad, could have called the union man, but he gotta feed his family, he can't bite the hand. So we lift up a prayer to Jesus, say, Lord, make it all be fine. He opened back up that throttle and move it on down the line. 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 His 3 engines kept pulling, mile after mile they rode, up to the top of the Swanson grade, to an Esker chucking slow. The first 2 engines made it through, creeping like a garden snail, but number 9 slipped right off the inside rail. Move it on down the line. 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 It all seemed in slow motion. The train tumbled down that hill. All 14 railmen lost their lives. It wasn't common.